Welcome to Kashmir.
Okay, so it's 3 p.m. We've landed at Srinagar. The weather is quite pleasant. It's almost 11 degrees, much better than Mumbai, of course. We are on our way to Gulmarg, which is 1.5 hour drive from here. There's no snow in Srinagar right now, but prediction is that there will be snow in Gulmarg in the next 1 or 2 days. So let's see how lucky we are.
Gulmarg lies in a cup-shaped valley in the Pir Panjal range of the Himalayas at an altitude of 2650 meters, that's almost 9,000 feet, and roughly 50 kilometers from Srinagar.
اگر فردوس به روی زمین است همین است و همین است و همین است.
It's 5:15 and we have just reached our hotel. After completing the check-in formalities, we're going up to our room. Room is on the 4th floor, which is not exactly a 4th floor. The second floor is the 4th floor. Look at the interiors of the hotel. It's very well made with wooden look all around, and we are almost there in our room. So this is our room. Very cozy, and it has a proper wood effect right from the flooring, wall, as well as the ceiling. Everything is made of wood. After some rest, we went down for dinner, and that's the end of the day. Good morning, Gulmarg. Fortunately, it snowed last night, and just look outside. It's snow, snow, snow everywhere. Just what we had thought of, and I'm sure it's going to be a very nice day as we are planning to go up the gondola ride in Gulmarg. And that's me. Hello there. So it's my first day in the snow. Let me give you a few hacks on how to protect yourself from the cold weather. First of all, you don't need a thick jacket. All you need is layers of clothing. So what I'm wearing right now is a thermal innerwear, a shirt over it, and this jacket. Same way for the bottom, I'm wearing thermal innerwear pants and my jeans. You can see I'm wearing gumboots. This reminds me of my school days, but gumboots are going to help me walk in the snow and not let the snow sit on my shoes and get into my legs. Even for my shoes, I'm wearing two socks, two layers of socks. Okay, another tip for you. Your mobile will not work with your gloves. The touchscreen won't respond. So always carry a stylus pen with you, which will help you to use your phone easily. Most important tip, carry a water bottle with you with hot water, as I'm doing now. And final tip, don't forget your shades. Okay, the sun may not be very bright, but when the sun shines on the snow, you're going to go blind because it's going to be white all over. So, all the best to me. Bye bye. Let's go, let's go, let's go. It's our first day in the snow, so we're trying to be very cautious and not to slip. We are on our way to the gondola ticket center. We found a person who is a guide who said he will get the tickets for us. and he's going to get tickets so that we don't have to stand in line. So we are now in the queue to get on to our gondola ride. So the gondola is Asia's largest and the highest, and the world's second largest and second highest cable car project. It's the top attraction in Gulmarg, which takes you up onto phase 1 and then phase 2. Phase 1 is basically 2.6 kilometers away from Gondola, where it takes you to Kongdori station. We could not get tickets for phase 2 because it was shut down due to the bad weather. So we're going up to phase 1 in this gondola ride. And yeah, the ticket per person is 740 rupees to go up to phase 1 and come down.
फर्स्ट फेज जो है ये 98 में तैयार हुआ, 2000 में स्टार्ट हुआ पहला। जो सेकंड फेज है ये 14,000 फीट है, दोनों फेज मिला के वो 2005 में स्टार्ट हुआ सर।
इसके पहले क्या था 98 के
पहले 98 से चेयर कार था, हाफ से घोड़ा जाता था फर्स्ट फेज तक। फर्स्ट फेज से भी लोग घूम के आते थे घोड़े ही से सर।
So we have reached phase 1 of the gondola, and we booked a sledge ride. Just waiting for our sledge rider to come and take us on the ride. You can look around. People have already started their sledge rides. This is one of the sledges, and they have different packages to take you around. A daily package of a couple of hours will cost around 3,000 4,000 rupees. You need to bargain a lot. They started with 5,000 and ended with 3,000 rupees for 2 sledges. They're going to take us to 3 different tourist spots, and let's see. Actually, at every stop they give you half an hour, 45 minutes to just play around, click some pictures, and then continue towards the next destination. Today being a snowy day, they have stopped gondola on phase 1. Otherwise we get a chance to go to phase 2. You can see the phase 2 cars all parked over here. There's too much of fog, so it's not clear, but you can see these cars. So these are the cars that go up to phase 2, from where the actually the skiing starts. Anyways, it's just phase 1 for all the tourists today. And my ride begins. It's really hard for them to pull. Of course, pulling 85 kilos is hard. Yeah, so finally he agreed. I'm overweight, and so I need to walk up.
सर काफी है फीकी है फीकी कॉफी बिना जल्दी बना जा रहे थोड़ी दूर पे
ये लीजिए।
Ach, mit der Ratte, Ratte Saat, der Geist ist ein Akashi. Ach, mit der Babu. Ja, ich hole andere nach Mazen.
So it's the end of our gondola tour. We are now heading back to our hotel. We had a nice time. Didn't expect it to be so exciting. We experienced snowfall. We did sledge riding. We did bike riding. We also had Maggie and coffee and bhajiyas at the stall. And that's it. The end of the tour. And going downwards to Gulmarg main city. Thank you. So we just finished our Gulmarg tour, and this is our guide, Mr. Zahir. And next time you are in Gulmarg, you can contact him. He's a very good person. Zahir bhai, आपका number दीजिए.
9797845279.
It started snowing heavily and we were enjoying our walk back to the hotel. However, the locals told us to get back to the hotel as soon as possible before it gets more dangerous to be out in the snow. We have checked out of our hotel from Gulmarg and are now en route to Srinagar. And with a very heavy heart, we are saying goodbye to Gulmarg, which is undoubtedly heaven on earth.
اگر فردوس به روی زمین است همین است و همین است و همین است.
Sedan cars were not allowed to come up to pick us up because of the bad weather and the bad roads. Generally, the road traffic authority doesn't allow sedan cars to come up to pick up passengers or to drop passengers because it becomes very risky for these cars to go on these slippery roads. 4x4 cars ply between these roads, that too the ones which have steel belted tires, to avoid slipping and falling into the valley. Our driver was experienced enough and had good contacts, and so he got his car up to pick us up and take us down to Srinagar.